friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to show you how to make the impossible strawberry flan cake that I know you guys are going to love. The holidays are here and let's enjoy this amazing strawberry flan cake. It's an impossible cake that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This impossible strawberry flan cake, these are the ingredients. We're gonna need sugar to coat the bottom of our baking dish. We're gonna need cream, evaporated milk, condensed milk, vegetable oil, milk, baking powder, 1 Philadelphia cheese, granulated sugar, eggs, strawberry extract, all-purpose flour, and of course our baking dish. This is everything we need to make this impossible strawberry flan cake at home. Like I said, the holidays are around the corner and let's make this amazing dessert at home. So let's get started. I want to start first making the caramel because this is what really is going to take a little longer to prepare. We add the sugar, we let it melt slowly. Be very careful because you could easily get burned. When it's this color and all the sugar has dissolved completely, then we are going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon of the strawberry extract. We're gonna add it in here. We're gonna incorporate it completely. And now we are ready to add it into the baking dish. Look at this. Be very careful because this is really hot. Once you incorporate it, just cover all the bottom with this delicious caramel. Cover all the bottom, being very careful that you don't get burned, and then just put it aside and we are going to start making this amazing strawberry flan mixture. I'm adding an egg at a time and I'm using 5 eggs and everything is going to go into the blender. I am going to add the 5 eggs. I'm going to add the package of the cream cheese. I'm going to add the condensed milk, making sure that of course I don't leave anything behind. I'm going to add the cream. And the last thing I'm going to add is going to be the evaporated milk. We are going to add everything in here and then we are going to blend it. Once it's nice and blended, I am going to add half a teaspoon of the strawberry extract and I am going to blend it one more time. Now that it's nice and blended, I'm going to pour it into the baking dish. I'm just going to go ahead, add it in here. Once I add it in here, I'm going to put it aside and we are going to start making the strawberry bread from scratch. I'm adding the 2 eggs. I'm going to add the vegetable oil, the milk, the strawberry extract. And now we are ready to incorporate it completely. Remember, this is the best way to have control of the sugar you are giving your family. When you make it from scratch, you use less sugar. And here I'm adding all my dry ingredients into the sifter. I'm adding the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, the granulated sugar, and this is exactly what you don't want. Now I'm just going to whisk it, incorporate it really good. Once it's nice incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and use a spatula so that I get all the all-purpose flour that's on the walls of this glass plate. Just like that. Look how creamy this looks. The color looks amazing. And to tell you the truth, the smell of the strawberry, it's so concentrated. Okay, well now I am going to go ahead and add in slowly all around until I am done. Once I am done, I'm going to cover it with foil paper. I am going to go ahead and use another baking dish, which I'm going to add hot water into it. I'm going to add about half water in here, and then I'm going to add my baking dish with all the mixtures in. I have already preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Remember to always preheat your oven. I'm going to go ahead, put it in here, leave it for 90 minutes. When there is about 10 minutes left, you are going to remove the foil paper and let it cook for another 10 minutes. The total amount that it was in the oven, it was for 90 minutes. And as you could see, it's nice and hot. Don't try to take it out when it's nice and hot. Let it rest for about 1 hour to 2 hours. How do you know when the mixture is done and everything is fully cooked? You put a little stick inside, you take it off and it comes out clean. That means it is completely cooked. Now, as you could see, it has separated from the edges of the baking dish, and now is the time to remove it. Let's see how this impossible strawberry flan cake came out. It looks delicious. It looks amazing. The color, just perfection. You could leave it just as is, or you could add a little bit of decoration. I am going to just add a little bit of whipping cream right on the side, right on the top, and then I am ready to enjoy this amazing impossible strawberry flan cake. Look at this. Why not make it at home? Do it from scratch. I know that you guys are really going to love this amazing impossible strawberry flan cake. And after this, I am ready for the presentation. I cannot wait to enjoy it. So I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing strawberry flan cake. You need to make it at home. The holidays are around the corner. And let's impress our family with this amazing strawberry flan cake. The bread is so soft and tender, and the flan, the flavor of the strawberry, just perfection, made at home. But I'm gonna stop talking, and I really wanna enjoy this amazing strawberry flan cake. Excuse me. The flavor of the strawberry, so concentrated, so delicious. The bread is really soft and spongy. You know, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this amazing strawberry flan cake at home, or as I call it, pastel imposible de fresa. I know that you guys are really going to fall in love with this amazing strawberry flan cake. It's not too sugary. is just perfection made at home. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes up perfect, and you add just enough sugar to make this dessert amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. I will stay enjoying this amazing strawberry flan cake. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.